Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic I am going to discuss is indifference curve, and in short it is called IC curve. Now I am going to move toward the definition of indifference curve. It is the curve which shows the different combination of two goods which have equal level of satisfaction to the consumer. Two goods like X and Y. And now I am going to discuss the table. In table, we take different combination of two goods and level of satisfaction. Combination of two goods are A, B, C and D. We take here the units of good X are 1, 2, 3, 4 and the units of Y goods are 10, 6, 3, 1. Level of satisfaction are same for all. In the diagram, we show the different combination of two goods, Y good and X good. Here you can see these are the units of Y goods, these are the units of X goods, and this is the IC curve, indifference curve. There are different combinations. A is the first combination. Here we take 10 units of Y good and 1 unit of X good. Same, we got 6 units of Y good and 2 units of X good and 3 units of X goods and 4 units of Y good. These are the different combination of two goods. When we combine these combinations, we will find a curve, and this curve is called indifference curve. Now I am going to discuss the properties of indifference curve. The number one is indifference curve is negatively sloped. Why indifference curve is negatively sloped? Because here we can see in this diagram we have two goods, Y good and X good. If a consumer wants to purchase some X units of Y good, then he have to sacrifice some units of X good. If he wants more units of X good, so he have to sacrifice some units of Y good. That's why the indifference curve is negatively sloped. Number two is indifference curve is convex to origin because marginal rate of substitution declines due to the convexity. If they intersect each other, then this is against the definition. The number four is higher indifference curve give the higher level of satisfaction. As the curve is away from the origin, it will give the higher level of satisfaction. For example, this is IC1, and if we draw IC2 and IC3, then this curve will give the higher level of satisfaction because it is away from the origin. The number five is they cannot be parallel to each other. Indifference curves cannot be parallel to each other. Number six is do not touch or intersect the axis. Indifference curve cannot intersect the axis or cannot touch the axis, because if indifference curve intersect this or touch this axis, then this means the consumer is only consuming purchasing the units of X good and 0 units of Y goods. This is against the definition, because consumer have to consume some units of Y good and some units of X goods.